It's been about 20 hours in there, so everything's hard and nice. We're going to make the topping now. Caramel. What we're going to do is we're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter, so quarter tablespoon of butter, or quarter cup of butter. We're going to add 6 tablespoons erythritol to that. We are also going to add 2 tablespoons coconut crystals, and we're going to bring that to a boil. So I'll get that going. First time dealing with coconut crystals. That's what it looks like. Brown. I'll give it a caramelly color. Red monkey.
Most people know the 4 Seasons donuts. Now, KG brings you the newest season shop. 20-ounce chocolate diamonds. Save up to 20%.
You want to bring that up to a boil. It's going to take about another 2 or 3 minutes. And we're going to add in half a cup of heavy cream. We'll turn the heat off, then add the half a cup of cream. There we go, starting to boil. We'll let the entire thing start to boil, then we'll add in the cream. We'll turn the heat off and then add the cream. That's good. Turn that off. Alright, so here comes the cream. Alright, let's stir that together. Oh my! Lots of bubbles. Okay. Now, we'll add in the xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon, and salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. We'll do this first, then we'll mix. Alright, then we're going to return it back to heat, boil it 1 minute, then we'll add in the water, 2 tablespoons of water. We're making my keto pizza as well. Here we go. Starting to boil. We'll boil it for 1 minute. Keep stirring. And then we'll turn that off. We're going to let it cool. Once it gets to lukewarm temperature, that is when we will add the water. And then I'll show you that step once we get to it. Alright, so it's pretty lukewarm. Just added in the water. And then we just want to mix everything together so it's starting to harden a little bit. And then we're just going to put it in the fridge so it can complete the hardening process, and then we'll add it to our cheesecake. And then we'll show you the final steps on that.